Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial I will be showing you how I make my aloo tikki. I have boiled 3 large sized potatoes for 30 minutes. Once those were cooked, I've mashed it all together and mixed it so it's nicely combined. Okay, so I've added 5 green chilies and a bunch of coriander, and what I've done is I've just blitzed that in the food processor. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, two teaspoons of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of garam masala. I've added some crushed chilies, and half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm now going to mix all the ingredients together so it's nicely combined. Okay, so once you've binded the mixture well, what we're going to do is we're just going to make small balls and flatten each ball and shape it to a patty. And we're just going to repeat that exercise, and I'm just going to place it onto a plate and then get ready to shallow fry these. Okay, so now we're ready to shallow fry these. So I've added a little bit of oil and I'm going to cook this on medium heat. I'm going to let that cook on there for 1 minute and then just flip them over. I'm going to cook that for a minute on each side, and what we want to achieve is a golden brown crispy look. The aloo tikki is now ready, so let's get this served. And there we have it. Aloo tikki is now ready to be served. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, and stay tuned with my upcoming recipes.